Hello guys and welcome back. Let us do the analysis for the Forex for this weekly outlook. So it has completed last week's objective and target. Our analysis was up to the mark. Dollar has taken some sort of mitigation from this particular order block. It has already created a dealing range which is quite big, 314. So it is a big dealing range. Right now it has almost came back to the midpoint, taken out some of the liquidities available here. My take, it has to go up, and my first weekly target will be this one, and then the second weekly target will be this one. So fundamentals really broke down for dollar on Friday after the release of job reports for July. Fundamentally, it has shifted the picture. It can go down. If it is going to go down, it will come down at least this one, but I hope it gains the momentum again and takes out this one and this one. So basically we are going to be trading inside the range for some time, Monday, Tuesday, up to the red news event folder, and then we can see either upside or downside. But I am bullish on dollar. Euro. So euro has completed its downside objective from last week pretty well. Even it went down, took out these liquidity levels. Then has taken this particular liquidity level also. I think there is this equal lows available here. More to the downside is still pending. However, it has created this weekly range which can play out throughout whole week, and then we can take out this liquidity. I am bearish because I am bullish on dollar. I am bearish on euro USD. And in internal structure, it is already in discount area. So it has taken recently this liquidity level. On 1 hour chart, nothing much. Yeah, nothing much. Anyways, so my bet is I will see Monday and Tuesday how it is going to print, but most probably it is going to take out this liquidity level. Now GBP, it completed an internal sell side model, and then it has completed an external sell side model, this one. But in order to complete this external sell side liquidity, it did not punched out through this liquidity level. Instead, it made a relative equal low. So what I'm thinking about it is, since, let me clear it out, since it has taken out this liquidity, a lot of liquidity was available there. Since it has taken out this liquidity, there is some sort of liquidity is available on this level. So it can come take liquidity and then it can go back up to take out this liquidity, but this taken out of this liquidity will be a must from my side. So I am bearish on GBP, and if we look to the left, we see this particular order block with volume imbalance. So I think it is going to go down, take out this particular void, and then we have this fair value gap, some bullish candles. Then this is also easy liquidity which GBP can run upon. So on a bigger side, if it is going to go down, it has a lot of potential to go down. On the bullish side, this liquidity has been cleared up here. Even it did not came to mitigate this particular order block, fell some short of it, took this liquidity and then dropped. And this dropped pretty fast without any. This is a good pullback. This one we can consider a good pullback, but this drop was fast. Now this is the pullback which I'm thinking, and it can come up to this level and should drop maximum. So I am bearish on GBPUSD, Australian dollar. So Australian dollar, we were kind of bullish in Australian dollar, but it is a 1-day chart. And in order to complete this, it has to break out of this particular range, which it has already did. On 4 hours, this is the retest of the range. This is a liquidity level. Just, you can say it is a fair value gap high. And we have this particular area. Still, AU has to come down. It is a long way. So I will be waiting for it to come down. I will not buy AUD. I am bearish on AUD. Till this particular point, I will be shorting whenever it is taking any relative equal highs on smaller time frame. And from here, I will change my bias, or I will look at the market at that time. Gold. So on 4 hours, gold has not completed its task. It came back, it came down. Gold came down, took this liquidity, made this build up. Let me clear it out. Made this particular build up. And then it started to go back up. Still, I am thinking this liquidity target is a good liquidity target. Gold is at a mitigation area. I think it will take some mitigation on Monday or maximum on Tuesday and will start to break down. So might take either this or can go up to here and then this. I'm still bearish on gold. Oil. Oil has completed this cycle. It has taken this liquidity level here, and then it took out this liquidity level here. I was expecting more to the downside. It never happened. So let's see. I'm not so much clear about oil, but on a bigger picture, I think this is a very good liquidity target. And then 59.8 is also a very good liquidity target. Yeah, sure. So that's it, guys, for the weekly outlook of this week, and we will be in touch during our live streaming. We do live stream every day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification, and don't forget to tune in during our lives. Thank you very much.